Your business has a story, but is the right audience hearing it? At ZPR Marketing and Digital Marketing, we help brands move from just being online to being seen, understood, and remembered. We engage, we influence, we succeed. From social media management and digital marketing to graphic design, website development, PR, content creation, video and training, our team brings practical marketing support to businesses that are ready to grow. No guesswork. No one-size-fits-all packages. No confusing agency talk. We start by understanding your business, your goals, your audience, and where you want to go next. Then we turn that insight into clear, targeted marketing action. Need stronger social media, a better website, smarter campaigns, professional content, a brand that finally feels consistent, serving Bloemfontein, Randburg, and clients across South Africa and beyond. We work with businesses that want more than pretty posts. They want marketing that makes sense, marketing that feels professional, marketing that supports real growth. Your goals, our expertise, let's make it happen. At ZPR Marketing and Digital Marketing, visit zpr.co.za and take the first step toward clearer, stronger, more effective marketing.